Hello everyone, Johnny and Jane here with another quick tutorial on using your digital rewards on Google Slides. Once you've downloaded your digital reward file, you'll open up the PDF Google Slides Virtual Rewards. Here's my copy for this tutorial. I'll be using the virtual sticker version. Towards the bottom of the file you see a link where once you click it, it'll ask you to copy the virtual sticker boards to your Google Drive. Go ahead and make a copy, and once it opens up you'll see the actual digital rewards virtual stickers boards. For the virtual stickers we've provided the sticker albums, the sticker wall boards, and the laptop board. For the sticker albums we have two different versions. We have the ones where the shadow circles are on the book themselves. These are better suited for the teachers to place the stickers directly on the book to allow minimal engagement with the students so they don't have to move them around as much. The regular sticker albums, the sticker wall boards, and the laptop board both have sticker cards on the side. This is where the teacher will place the stickers, and once the student opens up their copy of their album board, they'll be able to drag and drop the stickers onto their board. They can manipulate them by rotating them, scaling them larger or smaller, and even overlapping them. What we have to do now is pick which of the boards we would like to send to the student. We can pick one, or in some cases you can actually go ahead and pick a couple of them if you want to provide them with multiple options. Some teachers provide separate options as a reward in itself. So you might want to start off with giving them, let's say, all the blue sticker album, and if they reach certain levels or accomplish certain tasks in school, you can then offer them an actual wall board or the laptop. In this example, we're going to pick the blue sticker album as our board. We're going to go to File, Make a Copy, Selected Slides. Here you'll go ahead and type in the name that you would like to remember. Something easier in our case, we will call it the sticker album, and click OK. Now that we have our sticker album ready, we can go ahead and prepare the assignment to send to the students. This is the view from the teacher's Google Classroom. Our class is called Digital Rewards, and we're going to go ahead and assign an assignment by going to Classwork, clicking Create, Assignment. From here we'll give a title for this assignment. I'll give it a title, Reward Sticker Album. I can provide instructions for the students to follow. After you type in the instructions, you need to go ahead and add the actual album. So go to Add, Google Drive, and locate the file you just created, which is the sticker album. Over to the right you'll see this pull down menu. Change it from Students Can View File to Make a Copy for each student. Very important, otherwise they will not be able to have their own book. You can assign it to one, multiple, or all your students. In our case we are making this ungraded. We're not specifying a due date and no topic. Once you are ready, you can go ahead and hit Assign, and it will be sent over to all the students. From the student's perspective, once they go into their classroom, they're going to see that the teacher posted a new assignment, the Reward Sticker Album. When they open this up, they will be greeted by the instructions you've provided, and up here you will see the actual assignment. Once they open it up, they are ready to start working on it. First thing the student will want to do is change student name to their name. And then they'll be ready to move over their first sticker onto their board. Once again, they can have fun manipulating the stickers. They can enlarge them, make them smaller, rotate them, stack them on top of each other. Whatever they want to make this their very own reward board. When you are ready to start sending your students new reward stickers, you will go to classwork, open up the album, and view the assignments. Here you'll get a list of all the students that have this assigned to them, and you can open up each individual student's book where you'll see any changes they have made to it. They've already personalized it, they've moved their first sticker over, and now it's time to add new stickers. Depending on where you placed your folder with reward stickers, there are a couple of different ways to get to them. Up here in the toolbar, you'll click the image icon and it'll open up this dialog. If you have your files on your local computer, go ahead and choose to upload an image, locate the folder with the reward stickers on them. In this case, I'm already there. And you can select the sticker you would like to add, hit open, and there you go. Here you can go ahead and place it on the side card so that when the student gets the file, they can move it over and personalize it. If you have uploaded your file folder with the reward stickers to your Google Drive, you can access them by clicking the same image icon on the toolbar, select Google Drive, and go ahead and locate where you put them. Once there, you can select whichever file you would like to include and hit select. The easiest way for me to add stickers to their albums is to have the File Explorer or Finder on Mac open and having the folder located where my reward stickers are. I can go in there and select multiple stickers if needed by holding the Control left click on each sticker or Command click on a Mac. By doing this, I can select, let's say, 2 stickers at a time. Then I click and drag it over to the album, let go, and here they are. I just find this quicker and saves a lot of time. Now that I'm done, the last thing I'll need to do is add a comment if I want to for the student to read. In this case, I'll just say, keep up the good work. And once I'm ready, I'll hit post. In the student's classroom, when they go to the assignment, they will see your recent comment and all of them if you have multiple comments. With their sticker album open, they'll see all their new reward stickers on the side. They can go ahead and grab them, slide them over. They can rotate them, stack them on top of each other, make them larger or smaller. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you would like more information on these and other digital rewards, please see the link below in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.